Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to plot Gantt chart in Excel. A Gantt chart is a visual tool used in project management to illustrate and schedule tasks or activities across a specific time frame. It provides a graphical representation of the project schedule showing the start and finish dates of various elements within the project. Henry Gantt, an American engineer and management consultant, developed the Gantt chart in the early 28th century. It's widely used due to its simplicity and effectiveness in displaying project timelines and dependencies. The key components of this Gantt chart are task or activities. The left-hand side of the chart lists all the activities or tasks that needs to be completed for the project. Timeline. The horizontal x-axis of the chart represents the time divided into days, weeks, months, or other relevant time units. Bars. Horizontal bars or blocks are used to represent each task activity. The length of each bar corresponds to the duration of the task, and its position along the timeline indicates its start and finish or end dates. Gantt charts can show dependencies between the tasks, indicating which task must be completed before others can start. This is often represented through linking or connecting the bars. Milestones, significant points or achievements within the project, such as project start dates, deadlines, or key deliverables, can be highlighted as milestones on the chart. Progress tracking. Gantt charts can also include features to track progress. This might involve shading or coloring completed portion of task or using different shades to represent the percentage of completion. Now let's see how we can plot the Gantt chart in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. Now here we are having a data. In the first column, task is there. In second column, the starting date of the task, ending date of the task, and the duration, the time taken. So the project initiation is from 1st February till 7th February. 6 days are required. As project initiation gets over, project planning starts. So this is for 8 days. When project planning gets over, project execution starts. This is for 12 days. Project monitoring and controlling is for 2 days, and project closing is for 4 days. So let's see how we can plot the Gantt chart. So the first thing which you have to do is you have to select the data. Now here your date is your data, right? So select it. Go and insert. From here, select the stacked bar chart. Now select these bars, right click, select the data. Before that, make sure that you put this chart a little bit aside because we want to select the duration. So select it, right click, select the data. Now from here, click add, give the series name. So select the duration and series value. You select the series value, that is how much time this activity will take to finish. Click OK. Click OK. Now we don't want this blue lines to create the Gantt chart. So click here. Just a minute. Make sure that all the bars are selected. Right click. Format the data series. Field options. No field. Done. So the blue bars are gone. Now the next thing which you have to do is the next thing which we want is that on the y-axis we want the name of the activities. So how we can do this? So click here, right click, select the data, press edit and select this task. Click OK. Click OK. So it's ready. But still there is one problem. The chart starts from project closing. then project monitoring and controlling, project execution, project planning, and project initiation. We want that it should start from project initiation. So click on it, format the axis, click and right click, and just click here, categories in reverse order. Now expand this. So you can see your Gantt chart is ready. Project initiation. When it gets over, 6 days are required. When it gets over, project planning starts. Then project execution starts. Then project monitoring and controlling, and then project closing. So this was all about creating a Gantt chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.